This video guide is dedicated to help you remove suspicious pop-ups by the website Eautionlea.online. Eautionlea.online. This is the fake alert that tries to deceive you with some faulty messages claiming that you need to click on Allow button to close this page. The reality is that clicking on Allow immediately would hijack the browser. This means you'll start seeing the variety of strange ads that will be attacking your screen from time to time. And also the pop-up is able to switch the browser into the full screen mode. Well, this is done by the pop-up to force you into clicking on that Allow button. Again, it is strongly advised that you do not agree with such a misleading proposal. Some people who have clicked on Allow, they soon start experiencing a lot of other problems, mainly related to the browser redirections to random pages. These could be the sites that promote adware, browser hijackers like this one, and other deceptive pages. If the Allow button was clicked by mistake, go to the menu, click on Settings, go to Privacy and Security and select Site Settings, and now, getting back to the Permissions area, click on Notifications. Now you need to examine the Allow section. You may find the great number of some suspicious sites here. All of them need to be deleted as soon as possible to stop the pop-up show by these malicious websites. Even the pages in the block list, they need to be deleted if they are not decent. So after all these steps are completed, the problem should be fixed. However, there is no guarantee that your Mac is free of any other adware. So consider checking your available Mac applications. If you find something suspicious here, you may right-click on the item and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you double-check your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the reliable security software for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So after the program is downloaded and installed, you need to wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated. Then click on Start Combo Scan and the free scanning of your Mac computer will begin, and at the end of scan the complete summary will be provided. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.